Okay, so I just got back from the Nissan dealer right now, and I picked up some parts that I'm extremely excited about opening up. Inside this box is pretty much the heart of the build. This to the side. Here it is. Here it is. A brand new Garrett T25 Turbo. I'm gonna also show you guys the part numbers if you guys wanna maybe buy it in the future. If you're watching this video as of January, December, well, late December into January 2024, then these are actually on sale at every Nissan dealer. So these are important parts right here. It's the gasket, but other than that, yeah, there's a turbo. I'm gonna include the part number for this thing in the description, but look at that. Why I show this? Well, it is because I mean business, ladies and gentlemen.